In today's video, we are looking at the control flows. These are conditional statements and loops. Let us start with the conditional statements. The first one is the if-else statement. The if checks a condition and runs a block of code if it is true, while the else handles the false case. Let us look at an example. So let temperature equals to 25 if temperature is greater than 25. Let us log this outside, else the weather is present. Let us open the console. So the weather is present. If we change this one to 35, it is outside because it is greater than 25. Let us proceed to the next conditional statement, and that is else if. This is used when there are multiple conditions. Let us look at an example. So let score equals to 75. If score is greater or equal to 90, greater or equals to 80, then else console log. In this case, we are getting grade C since the score is 75. What if we put 65 rather than say 85 grade B and then 95 grade A? Because we'll be learning more about this in our upcoming lessons. Then we proceed to number 2, which is the switch statement. Switch statement is preferred when you have multiple conditions, as it is more cleaner than using multiple else if statements. Let us see an example. So we are using switch. We are taking the day. Check the first case. It is Monday. Then we use the keyword break. Then for the default, the console, we have first day of the week. Since the day is Monday, we change this one to Friday, 5th day of the week. We are getting to output because we forgot to break after Friday, so we use a break. 5th day of the week. If we change this one to Saturday, get either Saturday or Sunday. And that's how switch statement works. Let us proceed to number 3, which is the loops. And we start with the for loop. It is used to run a block of code for a specific number of times. Let us look at an example. So then we declare our variable. Let's use I, starting with 0, and then we set the condition I is between 0 and 5, and then we increment the value of y by 1. We learned how to do this in our previous lesson. So we want console log I. It should run from 0 to 4. We are getting that. If we change this to 10, it should run from 0 to 9. But if you want to arrange them in a descending order, let's just comment this one out. Then we say for let I goes to 10, you set the condition I is greater or equal to 0. Then we are decreasing the value of I by 1. We are getting 10 to 0. And that is it for loop. Let us proceed to the while loop. This one learns as long as the condition is true. Let us look at an example. Let count equals to 0. We use the while keyword. Count is less than 5. We increment the value of count by 1. And then we want to log. As you can see, we have count 0 up to 4. Of course, there is more you can do with the while loop. We'll be looking at more examples in our future lessons. Let us look at the next loop, and that is for of loop. It is used to map through arrays. Let us look at an example. Array colors. This is how we define an array. So we say for let color of colors, we are mapping through the array. Then we want to log the color. So we are getting green, blue, and red. Yeah, we have them. And that is it for the control flows. In the next video, I'll be looking at functions and scope. Subscribe if you haven't, so that you are notified when I upload the next video.